Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Tuesday, November 13th. The broad market E-mini S&P finished positive 3 points to 1378 Monday on a low volume day with some markets closed for the Veterans Day holiday. A tight 9-point range from high to low saw an inside day lacking any direction. Lows Friday at 1363 marked support with 1381 and then 1400 upside resistance. The Dow futures added 4 points Monday after a 100-point reversal from 12,670 Friday lows, which now act as support. 12,850, then 13,000 are resistance above, with lower support at the 12,500 level from the end of July. The E-mini Nasdaq added 1 point to continue its reversal from heavy losses Friday that had the tech index close up 8 points on the last day of a tough week. 2625 now acts as the resistance as the channel bottom that failed after over 2 weeks of sideways trade. Crude oil lost 40 cents to close at 86.15 Monday. A positive move last week had prices base out over the last 14 sessions at the $84 support. Resistance sits above at $88 from the recent highs last Tuesday before the latest downturn. Currencies were unchanged with the dollar at 81.10 and the euro currency at 127.15 after a loss of more than 100 points last week. Bonds were closed on the floor but did gain 4 ticks at 151.5 in the electronic session on Monday. Gold lost $3 to $17.28 after a more than $50 gain last week. Silver dropped 20 cents at $32.40 Monday after a 5% jump last week as well. With a quiet, steady day to possibly build on Monday, where do things stand this Tuesday morning to start the trading day? Well, the FTSE, DAX, and CAC in Europe are all 0.5% lower to drive the euro down to 126.65 lows overnight before a bounce back to 127.20 and positive on the day. This 127 euro support level is the halfway mark of the 122 to 132 rally of the last few months. December bonds have also backed off. We're now up 8 ticks and we're under 152 after some big overnight gains. Crude oil sits at 85.85, down 25 cents after new lows and a higher close last week. Gold is also $1 lower at $17.30, with $1,700 the support pivot below that held last Wednesday and $17.50 above. Silver is up 5 cents at $32.58 an ounce. So as we get started on this Tuesday morning, the E-mini S&P is now 7 lower at 1371 as we stand right now. Dow futures right now are 59 points lower and Nasdaq futures are 10 points lower with more than an hour and a half to go before the stock market open. To wrap up the current action on this Tuesday morning, the euro currency and the dollar are essentially unchanged. Crude is off 25 cents and gold is unchanged as well at $17.30. Stock futures had recovered from heavy overnight losses, but now backed off a little bit right now, and we're at 1371 in the E-mini S&P, and that's down 7 points. The Dow futures here at the CME Group are down 59 points and at the 12,725 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Wednesday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.